Hey guys, welcome back to the Snapring Chronicles. Today we have something a little bit different for you guys. It's a small tool haul that I found. A lot of times I go to this one antique kind of variety store, and sometimes they'll have some tools. Not very often, but once in a blue moon I do pick up stuff there that they might have some older hand tools. But before we start, as always, if you find this content interesting or helpful, could you give me a like, share, and consider subscribing to my channel? I'm trying to grow this channel little by little. Hopefully, you guys find this stuff kind of interesting. Mostly, I try to concentrate on smaller hand tools like ratchets. I think ratchets is kind of my niche right now, and other smaller wrenches and stuff, sockets and whatnot. Okay, so let's jump into it. This is one of the sets I found. It's a Sears Companion, not Craftsman. This is the Companion line ignition wrenches. And they had this set, and this set was made in the USA. Okay, but there's some extra wrenches in this pouch here that went along with it. Okay, here are the wrenches. This one was an extra. This one, I don't know if you can make it out. Let me see. This is a Sears. The other ones, the better condition ones, they say Companion on them, and on the back they have made in USA. This is, I think, maybe an older one. It looks like an ignition wrench, similar to the Companions, but this one has Sears on it. It's 1132s, and I think it says 5/16 there. But as you can see, these wrenches, they're not made out of what do you call it? What's this one? What's that called? Oh, brother. Yeah, these weren't drop forged. These ain't chrome vanadium. I think these are just what it says here. It says nickel plated high carbon steel. So I just think these are just nickel plated carbon steel wrenches. And this particular one doesn't have made in the USA on the back. And also in the set that doesn't belong is this Deeps wrench. This one says drop forged on it. I think Deep is an Indian company. This one doesn't look too high quality. I think it's made in India. And also in this set is a Unicraft. Not sure where they came from, what company is Unicraft. I don't know if that's a store brand. I doubt it. It could just be just a generic name, but this one is made in Japan. This is drop forged Japan. And these here, I think this is a complete set. It says 8 pieces. And we have 2, 4, 6, 8. So we do have, besides these little extras, we do have a complete set here of ignition wrenches. And I was kind of like, what's ignition wrenches? Because, I don't know, it seemed like it was pretty popular to have ignition wrenches if you worked on cars, but I think older cars, you would use these mostly on older cars where the ignitions, the distributors and points and coils had like a lot of little nuts and bolts on them that you would need a small set of wrenches for. But I guess you can use this for anything, you know. You can use them for any spot where you be a tight spot for you. You know, you can get a small wrench in there, and it'll do you good. I was reading also that a lot of people who work on tractors use these a lot. Okay, and then I found this other set here of Sears 6-piece combination wrench set, and this was made in Japan. And I think also this is missing some, and they have some extras of some other company also. Let me see here. This is Sears. This isn't Sears. This is another Unicraft. This is Sears and another Unicraft. Oh, that must be this Unicraft. No. And it has two Unicrafts, and unfortunately this set, it's supposed to have 6 Sears wrenches. It only has 3 Sears wrenches. It's a 1/2 inch, 7/16, and a 3/8. But these are drop forged in Japan. These don't look too bad. They look pretty decent. Okay, these are the original set. This Sears set. And then inside the pouch came this Made in USA Craftsman. It's a 1/2 inch and a 9/16 on this end. 1/2 inch on this end. Forged in the USA. The 2 lines and the V's. More drop forge era, probably. So mid to early 60s or before. And then it had this Fuller ratchet, chrome molybdenum. Never heard of that. Chrome molybdenum. And it has the letter KTC in the circle there. If you can see that. I don't know if it'll focus good enough. There we go. KTC, and made in Japan. These Fullers, they look like pretty good tools. I mean, these seem like they were made in Japan, but decent quality. Okay. And here we have 2 more Unicrafts drop forged in Japan. Not as good quality as the Fullers, I think. The Fullers just look a bit better made, better polished. So, okay. These are the Craftsman, and the Sears and the extras that came with it. Okay, and here's another set. Here's some more Fullers I picked up. These, like I said, are pretty good quality. Fuller. I read up on these, and people are pretty satisfied with these. There are no complaints with this company. Made in Japan ratchet. Here's a 1/2 inch and the 9/16. And I guess I picked up doubles. Here's a 1/2 inch 9/16 also. And here's a 9/16 open and box 9/16 fuller. Chrome molybdenum. I've never heard of that. Okay. KTC, Japan. And here's a small 3/8 open and box. Same thing, Japan. And here's another suit. Another set of wrenches. These are metrics. Let me get these out of the way. Make a little room here. These are metrics. These look kind of like the Fullers. These are, it says Continental American. This is the 11 millimeter open in box. Chrome vanadium drop 4s. This is also Japan. Not bad. And here's some more of the same set. This is an 8 millimeter Continental America. If you guys have any info on these, or you have any info on the Unicraft, let me know, or the Fullers, because I'm not too knowledgeable about these. They seem pretty good though. Here's the 7 millimeter. I think this set has 4. It's missing the 10 millimeter, of course. The most popular one is missing. And okay, so we got that. And another thing I picked up is a vice grip. And here's, I'm not sure when this was made. This is probably older. This is a Peterson vice grip. It seemed like it was in good shape, so I picked it up. It was pretty cheap. This was like $5. It's a 7R. The only thing is I think somebody did some tap on the back here. Probably locked onto a nut and then started wrapping on the back here. But the drawers seem pretty good. Drawers in good shape. Not too much movement there. So I was kind of happy to find this. And kind of my favorite piece of the whole haul was I found this tiny little micrometer. It's a novelty. It's not a real or functional micrometer, but it does work. I mean, you can unscrew it and you can rescrew it, and it comes in and out. It screws in and out. I thought that was pretty cool. You know, it's made pretty heavy. You know, it's not like aluminum or anything. I thought that was real funny. Okay guys, that's my most recent tool haul. If you guys got any info on some of this stuff, let me know. Like on the Fuller or the Continental America or the Unicraft, I'd be interested to know. Alright guys, until next time, take care.